Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how do you know if your professor is top-notch or terrible? Well, stick around and I'll help you find out. Welcome to the college world, where you can pick any class and any professor you want. But how do you actually know which is the better teacher? Hello and welcome to Navigating College. My name is Dr. Cern Villavicencio. I'm a current community college professor with a passion for helping students like you succeed. And in this video, I will give you the tools you'll need to learn about choosing your next prospective class with your professors. So I'm going to cover the following questions here for you. Number one, what is RateMyProfessors.com? Number two, how can I use it to learn about future professors? Number three, how can I leave information about professors I've had to help other students? And number four, what other sources can I use to learn about a class or professor before choosing it? So let's get started. What is RateMyProfessors.com? Well, RateMyProfessors was created back in 1999 with the idea to allow students in the United States, in Canada, and the UK to anonymously rate their professors. How can I use it to learn about future professors? So, when you go to the website, you can either look up professors by college or university, or just by looking up general classes, like a math or political science class. You can look them up also by name if there's a class you're eyeing that has a specific teacher. Now, every professor has a rating out of 5 stars on both their quality of education and the difficulty of their class, so it is very informative. It also provides a set of tags based on the comments past students have posted about them. Some of these include like quote-unquote lots of reading, or gives extra credit, or inspirational. So when you're scrolling through the student comments, I would recommend staying away from vague or trolling comments. For example, just one phrase comments like "good professor" or "they suck." These comments really don't reflect anything other than a preference, so my recommendation is that you read a few more positive comments and a few of the negative comments to try to give you a much more holistic picture of what the person is like as an educator. Try to identify the professor's teaching style. Comments that mention whether the professor explains the material clearly, whether they're accessible to students, whether they actually respond to emails or questions, or makes the class engaging. This is what you're really trying to evaluate, right? Can this person actually teach effectively? Now, if many of the comments consistently describe the professor as clear, accessible, engaging, that's usually a good sign. But if there are inconsistent complaints about, for example, poor organization, unclear lectures, they don't respond to emails in a timely manner, well, that's worth paying attention to as well. Now, this process is very similar to looking at Amazon's customer reviews before you purchase your product, right? But come on, that's exactly what you're doing here when you're choosing your professor. You're investing money on being educated, and you want to make sure that you get your money's worth. So let's talk briefly about quality. Now, some students use RateMyProfessors to find the easiest professor will give them an easy A. But if you're paying for an education, especially at a university where tuition is very, very expensive, you might be shortchanging yourself if your only goal is to try to take the easiest class. Remember, an easy class does not automatically mean higher quality, and a difficult class doesn't automatically mean poor quality as well. All right, let's move on. How can I leave information about professors I've had to help other students? On the opposite side of RateMyProfessors, after you take a class, make sure you leave information for future students. Obviously, you're helping them out here too. But be honest about them. Did they go over class time? Were they accessible through office hours? Were they helpful when you needed extra support? So make sure that your comments really help them out. Focus on the professor's teaching ability. Are they accessible? How was the overall classroom experience? Now, also avoid personal attacks or trolling. Negative comments can affect the professor's evaluation, so the goal should always be to try to provide useful information for future students. Think about what you want to know about that person, and then write accordingly. So what other sources can I use to learn about a class or a professor before choosing it? What I recommend is gathering as much information as possible before choosing your professor. And that means using more than just RateMyProfessors. So for example, try to find students who are in your major, who've taken that professor before. If you've been at your college or university for a while, chances are your peers have taken that class with that professor. So go seek them out. Ask them questions that go beyond, is the class easy or hard? So here are my recommendations. Ask questions like, does the professor make learning enjoyable? Are they clear when presenting the material? Are they accessible and responsive? Do they care about student success? Would you recommend taking their class? And then the most important question, why or why not? But again, take all the advice you get with a grain of salt and some healthy skepticism. Now, a second option, and honestly one of the best, is to directly talk to the professor. Find out when their office hours are and introduce yourself. Tell them you're thinking about taking their class and ask about their teaching style. Ask how you can prepare for the course and what students typically do to succeed in their class. You can even ask if they're willing to share a copy of a future syllabus for you for that particular class. Not only will you learn more about the class, but you'll also show the professor that you're serious about your education. You can also talk to a counselor or an academic advisor. They interact with many students and often have a good sense as to which professors students recommend. Graduate students, teaching assistants, academic advisors, they may also have some very important insights into professors, especially at research universities where graduate students work closely with faculty. It's important that you seek them out. Okay, to review, before selecting a class or choosing a professor, look up their rating through RateMyProfessors.com. Talk to others about their strengths and teaching style, and possibly even meet them before class starts to get a sense of their teaching style. All right, I think you now have the tools to make a well-informed decision about choosing your next professor. Go for it. If you enjoy this kind of content, please hit the subscribe and the like button below. Speaking of meeting with professors during office hours, if you want to learn how to do that effectively, go ahead and click here. Let's keep navigating college together. I hope you found this information valuable, and I'll see you in the next video, everybody.